we are going to draw the Lewis dot structure of ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Now before starting off, let me make it very clear that this is not a covalent compound, but actually it is an ionic compound, and it is made up of two ions, which is NH4 plus and Cl minus, ammonium ion and chloride ion. Now chloride ion might seem very easy, and obviously it is, but let me show you how NH4 plus or the ammonium ion is formed first before drawing or before getting into the structural part. Okay, so we have got ammonia, which is NH3, and it can be written as, in elaborated form, it can be written as like this. Okay, it has got lone pair, a single lone pair, because the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So you got 3 electrons here of 2p subshell, first, second and third, and you've got a lone pair from the 2s subshell, which is this one. Okay, only the electrons from the valence shell take place or participate in the formation of molecule formation, not this one. Okay, the valence shell is the second shell for nitrogen. And how does what is the process of formation of NH4 plus, which is the ammonium ion? Well, you've got a proton, which is H plus, and its electronic configuration is 1s0, which means it has 0 electrons in its valence shell, which is the first shell. Okay, so in order to gain stability, it needs 2 electrons. Okay, because 1s can carry a maximum of 2 electrons, the 1s subshell having a single orbital. Okay, so what takes place or what actually happens is that this ammonia is a Lewis base. Okay, what a Lewis base is? A Lewis base is any molecule which has extra lone pairs or has the tendency to donate electrons. Okay, now nitrogen has a single lone pair here, and it has a tendency to donate its electrons to H plus. Okay, it can donate its electron to H plus, and hence it can form the NH4 plus ion. Okay, I've explained it in one of my previous videos very nicely, and I'll put the title of that video on the iCard. Please check it out, and you'll be able to get a better grasp of the formation of NH4 plus ion. Okay, now let's start with the structure of ammonium chloride. So as I said, it is formed by the formation of two ions, which is NH4 plus ion and the chloride ion, ammonium ion and the chloride ion. Okay, now we have got NH4 plus and we have got Cl minus. Now the electronic configuration of chlorine is 3s2, 3p5, and before that we can put the inert configuration of neon. So it is 3s2, 3p5, and for Cl minus it will be 3p6. So this is a fully satisfied ion. Okay, it has completed its electron deficiency and is now very stable. But since it has negatively charged or it is negatively charged, it wants to stick with an ion which has a positive charge. Okay, so what happens is that there's no formation of bonds in an ionic compound, it's just attraction. Okay, so NH4 plus lies here, and you've got a Cl minus. Okay, you've got a Cl minus, and these two just stay like this because of their charges. It has got a positive charge, whereas this chlorine has got a negative charge, and there is no bond formation. For example, a bond is represented by a line, and we say that this electron has been donated by any molecule which is present on this side, and this electron is given or shared by any molecule whichever it might be on this side. Okay, but it is not so in case of an ionic compound. It just stays like this. Okay, a positive charge, a +1 charge, and a -1 charge. Just in the case of magnets, you can say, or maybe if you guys have studied the chapter electrostatics, similar charges attract equally to each other, which is the case in NH4 plus and Cl minus. So that's it. This was the Lewis dot structure of ammonium chloride. It actually, you can't draw a Lewis dot structure for an ionic compound like ammonium chloride. It is just represented like this. But if you want to elaborate it a little more, we can do something like this. See, we can do it like this. It has got 3 hydrogen and it has donated its 2 electrons to the 4th hydrogen, forming a coordinate bond, and this is now a ammonium ion. Now the chloride ion, we can draw the Lewis electrons, or the outer electrons for Cl minus, which can be written as this. See, I told you the electronic configuration of Cl minus, remember that for Cl minus it was neon and then 3s2 3p6. So it has got 8 electrons, 3s2 3p6, 8 electrons in its valence shell. The valence shell is the 3rd shell, and we can draw 8 electrons, and then we can put a negative charge because chlorine now has 8 electrons, which means it has gained an extra electron and has now a negative charge. And this is just the structure of ammonium chloride. Thank you very much for watching, and if you guys are finding the videos useful in your day-to-day academic life, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.